2024 BMW XM. The 2024 BMW XM SUV is on an ambitious mission to target the pinnacles of performance and luxury simultaneously. Behind its overwhelmed note lies a twin-turbocharged V8 that's enhanced by a plug-in hybrid system, which combine to produce up to 738 horsepower. The result is a rocket capable of hitting 60 mph in as little as 3.7 seconds. It can also motor itself around on electric power alone if you only need to run a few errands. And you might just choose the XM for such tasks since its cabin is richly trimmed, comfortable and spacious. An even more powerful Labor Red model joins the lineup for 2024 and boasts a 738 horsepower variant of the XM's plug-in hybrid powertrain. BMW says the extra power is enough to launch the XM Labor Red to 60 mph in just 3.7 seconds, which is likely conservative since we have already proved the regular 644 horsepower XM can do that in 3.4. The Labor Red will command a hefty premium over the base model, but pleasing confirmation should arrive just before the Labor Red hits dealers at the end of 2023. The XM starting price is high, but it does come loaded with luxury features, including leather upholstery, hard 23-inch wheels, a cool curved infotainment display, and a host of driver assistant features. The EPA says the XM is good for only 12 mpg city and 17 mpg highway despite its status as a plug-in hybrid. On our 75 mph highway full economy routes, the XM boosted its EPA estimate by returning 20 mpg when going solely by its gasoline engine. When factoring in the 29 miles or so we drove on electric power, its result is an even more palatable 49 mpg.